Discrimination, harassment, and other workplace laws. Discrimination, harassment, and other workplace laws are essential legal considerations that employers must be aware of when managing employee problems. This law protects employees from unfair treatment and ensure that workplaces are safe and free from discrimination and harassment. Failure to comply with these laws can lead to legal and financial consequences, including lawsuits, fines, and damages to the organization's reputations. Discrimination occurs when an employee is treated unfairly because of their age, race, gender, national origin, religion, disability, or other protected characteristics. Employers must ensure that their employment policies and practices are non-discriminatory and do not create a hostile work environment for any employee. Employers must make work environments for an employee. Employers must ensure that their employment policies and procedures are non-discriminatory and do not create a hostile work environment for any employee. Employers must also make responsible accommodations for employees with disabilities to perform their job duties. Harassment is another form of discrimination that is prohibited by law. Sexual harassment in particular is a relevant issue in the workplace, and employers must take proactive steps to prevent it. Sexual harassment can take many forms, including unwelcome sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, and other verbal or physical conduct of a sexual nature. Employers must have policies in place to prevent sexual harassment and take immediate actions to investigate and resolve any complaints of harassment. Other workplace laws that employers must be aware of: wage and hour laws, which regulate the minimum wage, overtime pay, and other employee compensations. Employers must ensure that they comply with these laws to avoid legal and financial consequences. Failure to pay employee properly can result in lawsuits and fines. Employers must also comply with safety and health laws, which regulate workplace safety and health standards. Employers must provide a safe and healthy work environment for their employees and take proactive steps to prevent workplace accidents and injuries. Failure to comply with safety and procedures law can result in fines and legal liability. In conclusion, discrimination, harassment, and other workplace law are critical legal considerations that employers must be aware of when managing employee problems. Employers must ensure that their policies and practices comply with these laws and take proactive steps to prevent discrimination, harassment, and other workplace issues. Failure to comply with these laws can result in legal and financial consequences, including lawsuits, fines, and damages to the organization's reputation.